Okay, we're going to resubmit my assignment. Actually, submit. This will say submit, but I've already done this one time. So after you do that, you can select a file from your computer, or I'm going to go to my Google Drive because that's where my Google Doc is. Okay. And I'm going to select my account. And then you can search for the file, or I know that this was the last file that I used. So I'm going to upload my summary number one and attach it. And I can see right here, it says file, right? File. And my assignment is attached right there. You can leave me a comment. And when you're ready, you just press submit file. And that's you turning it in. Okay, so it's thinking about my submission. Okay, so I pressed it again and I can see it worked. It said submitted on. And then what I want to do is just double check that it's the right one. So I'm going to press submission details.